Hello guys, and in this video we are going to be using points and lines to draw 2D shapes. Now you've just watched a video in which you saw an explanation about points, which were the dots, lines and planes. So we're going to use that information to do today's task. So we are going to be using points to draw one triangle and two quadrilaterals. So the first thing that you are going to do, in your maths books, you have got squared paper. You are going to do 10 points. So you are going to do, let me choose a different colour. You are going to do 10 points like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're then going to label them. Let me just change that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And if you've done 10, you should have A to J. Now, if we look up here, it says one triangle and two quadrilaterals. So the first shape that I'm going to draw is I'm going to draw a triangle. So now you're going to use a ruler. I'm going to use a function on my iPad that allows me to draw straight lines. So I'm looking for 3 points that I think can make a triangle. Now I'm going to choose. I'm going to go I to J. I'm going to go I to E, and I'm going to go E to J. Wouldn't it be great if our pens and pencils did that for us like that? So I've got there my one triangle from E, I to J. I'm now going to draw a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral has 4 sides. You can remember we used the idea of a quad bike, which has 4 wheels. So I'm going to find 4 points that I think would join together to make a quadrilateral. So I'm going to go from A to B. You might want to use, if you have got different coloured pencils, you can. It's not necessary, but it just makes them stand out a bit better. A to C. C to F. B to F. So there is my quadrilateral. And I'm going to now draw another quadrilateral, so another 4-sided shape. I'm going to change my colour. Now, there is no rule that says your shapes can't go over each other, because that might happen. You may realise that actually you can't draw your last quadrilateral without going through another shape. So I'm looking here. I need to find 4 that will make a quadrilateral. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to go from H to I. I'm then going to go from F to I. I'm going to go from F to C. Let's just redo that line. So look, those lines are right next to each other. And then, because a quadrilateral has 4 sides, I'm going to go from C to H. So there are other ways I could have done that. I could have gone from F to G and G to H. So now what I've done there is I've used points and lines to draw 2D shapes. I've drawn one triangle and 2 quadrilaterals. So I would like you to have a go at doing that, and then I will look forward to seeing your work. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next lesson.